Hello, Gregory Cox here. This video trailer is a sample of what you can see on my channel. My focus is on landmarks that have some historic significance or architectural value. In many cases, the videos will include aerial footage using my drone, and that's because very often the National Historic Landmarks are simply too massive to capture from the ground. For example, you might see abandoned sites like the Kennecott Ghost Town in Alaska or Fair Park in Dallas, Texas, that dates back to about 1936. If you have suggestions for my next project, please feel free to leave a comment.